Man, we had a heck of a windstorm in here last night. Record winds, oak trees are all over the place. My friend here, he cuts burls. He's about 80. He's been cutting burls for over 40 years. Makes burl clocks. It may not show, but it really tore his roof up. Just took all these big heavy tarps and threw them all over. Just ripped that oak up. Tore this roof up here all up. Like just ripping the roof off and throwing it down here. Just ripping stuff up and throwing it everywhere. Knocked the motorcycle over. Put it back up, obviously. We got this oak tree, which is this oak tree.